if I told you the secret to a perfect scratch-free car wash has less to do with elbow grease and more to do with snow? That's right, a thick blanket of snow foam. Today, we're counting down the top foam cannons that will completely change the way you wash your car, lifting dirt and grime right off the paint before you even touch it. We're going to find out which one gives you the most foam for your buck. All the links for these products are in the description below, so let's get started. 8. Chemical Guys EQP 324 Big Mouth Max Release Foam Cannon. Kicking off our countdown at number 8 is the Chemical Guys Big Mouth Max Release Foam Cannon. This one is a fantastic all-rounder for washing your car, boat, or even the side of your house. Its main claim to fame is its massive 34-ounce wide-mouth bottle, which makes it super easy to fill without spilling your precious soap everywhere. It hooks up to most pressure washers and creates a really nice, thick foam that clings well to your vehicle, pulling off all that loose dirt. While it's a bit pricey and some users find the nozzle a little tricky to get just right, it's a solid, high-performance option for any serious car enthusiast who wants fast and luxurious foam. 7. Groa's Garage Brilliant Finish Foam Cannon. Coming in at number 7 is the Groa's Garage Brilliant Finish Foam Cannon. This thing is built like a tank, with a premium aluminum manifold and high-quality fittings that feel incredibly durable. What really makes it stand out is the ridiculously thick and clingy foam it produces. We're talking about foam that can hang on your car for over 15 minutes, giving it maximum time to break down tough grime. It's more expensive than basic models, but if you're looking for professional-grade build quality and some of the best foam on the market, the lifetime warranty and top-tier performance from Groa's make it a fantastic investment for any serious detailer. 5. The Foam King Foam Cannon. At number 5, we have the Foam King. This cannon proves you don't need to spend a fortune to get great results. For its budget-friendly price, it delivers surprisingly even and effective foam coverage, making it a massive step up from a simple garden hose. Reviewers, including Car and Driver, have praised it for being way better than it has any right to be for the cost. While it won't produce that super thick shaving cream foam of its premium rivals, it provides excellent lubrication for a safe wash and is incredibly easy to set up. For the weekend warrior or someone just getting into detailing, this is an amazing value pick. Or Armor All 2-in-1 Foam Cannon Kit. Now for something a little different at number 4, the Armor All 2-in-1 Foam Cannon. Its superpower is versatility. This is the perfect kit for anyone who might not own a pressure washer because it connects to both a pressure washer and a standard garden hose. You get a huge 40-ounce bottle that's designed not to tip over, and it produces a solid layer of suds that makes washing quick and easy. While the foam from a garden hose won't be as thick as with a pressure washer, the sheer convenience of having one tool that does both is a massive win. It's the ideal budget-friendly choice for casual users who want foamy fun without the extra equipment. But a 3. MJJC Foam Cannon SV3. Racking our top 3 is the legendary MJJC Foam Cannon SV3. If you live for that ultra-tick, satisfying shaving cream-style foam, this is the one for you. The V3 is famous for producing an incredibly dense foam blanket that clings forever, all while using less soap than many of its competitors. It features a smart design with 360-degree spray control, a stable bottle that won't tip over, and a system that ensures it draws every last drop of soap. It perfectly balances near-professional performance with a mid-range price, making it a massive upgrade from any budget cannon. 2. Tool Daily Foam Cannon. Our runner-up at number 2 is the Tool Daily Foam Cannon. This is the undisputed champion of bang for your buck. For an incredibly low price, you not only get a reliable foam cannon, but also a set of 5 different pressure washer nozzle tips, adding tons of versatility to your cleaning arsenal. The build quality, featuring brass fittings, is surprisingly solid for the price, and users report it produces thick foam that works just as well as much more expensive options. It's lightweight, easy to use, and perfect for anyone who wants to jump into the world of foam washing without spending a lot of money. 1. Chemical Guys TORQ Foam Blaster 6. And taking our #1 spot is the Chemical Guys TORQ Foam Blaster 6. Why is it #1? Because it brings the joy of foaming to absolutely everyone. No pressure washer required. This genius tool hooks directly up to any standard garden hose and blasts your car with thick, dirt-lifting suds. It's incredibly easy to use, has a dial to adjust the foam level, and makes washing your car faster and way more fun. While a pressure washer cannon will always make thicker foam, the TORQ Blaster's convenience, great performance, and accessibility make it the perfect tool for the vast majority of car owners out there. Comparison and the winner. So, how do you choose? If you're on a tight budget, the Tool Daily and the Foam King are no-brainers, offering fantastic performance for the price. If you want versatility, the Armor All 2-in-1 is your go-to, working with any water source you have. For the serious enthusiasts who already own a pressure washer, the choice is tougher. The Griot's Garage and Adams Polishes cannons offer incredible build quality and will likely last a lifetime. But when it comes to the best overall performance and features for the money, our winner has to be the MJJC Foam Cannon SV3. It hits that perfect sweet spot. It delivers that incredibly thick, professional-grade foam that everyone craves, has smart, user-friendly features like the 360-degree spray, and does it all without the absolute top-tier price tag of some other premium models. It's the cannon that will give the most satisfying and effective results to the widest range of detailing fans. But hey, that's just my opinion. Which foam cannon caught your eye? Do you own any of these? Let me know what you think down in the comments. If this video helped you out, smash that like button, and be sure to subscribe and ring the notification bell so you never miss another video. Remember, all the links to these foam cannons are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.